Okay, hi. So hari ni I akan share lagi satu video GL9 mic on OPPO phone or any other phone yang tak boleh connect dengan this receiver. You can use this technique. Okay, untuk OPPO phone, you guys kena beli this GL9 yang receiver dia Type C. Then this receiver will connect with your phone. Okay, usually the LED on the receiver dia takkan menyala sebab dia tak connect lagi dengan mikrofon. Okay, then we will turn on the microphone. Okay, the LED on the microphone will blinking. Ni maksudnya dia tak pairing lagi dengan dia punya receiver. Okay, after that, you guys pergi dekat setting, then search on the search bar OTG, then click on OTG connection. Okay, after turn on the OTG connection, the receiver and the mic will be pairing. The LED will not blinking. So that's mean dia dah pair. For OPPO phone only, kalau buka OTG pun tak boleh nak connect dengan receiver. So you guys can use this technique pula. Okay, firstly open setting, then search default recorder. Okay, default recorder. Okay, for some phone dia tak ada auto select ni, then you guys should choose the add-on one. Then you guys can record video as usual.